Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view the changes you've made on your Instagram account. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your account. You might also need to enter your password if your login information is not saved on your device yet. Then, tap on the profile icon and tap on the hamburger menu. Now, select the Your Activity option. After that, tap on the Account History button. Here you will see all the changes you have made on your Instagram. And that's it guys, this is how you can view all the changes you've made on your Instagram profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.